Hey guys, Kevin the Blind Lake Mechanic here. We got some stuff from Scat, so I'm gonna open it up on camera. Normally I have the Kershaw, but today I have the Opinel. I think it's a French knife, basswood handle, carbon steel blade. Let's see what Scat sent us. If you watched my other videos, you already know what Scat sent us, but let's open it up here on camera. Box in a box. Oops. Stickers, paperwork, lube. Let's open one of these bad girls up here. Box in a box in a bag. Alright, we want to tear it open. Man, that's some quality plastic. Hold on, guys. Alright, this is one of Scat's 7/16 cap bolt rods. It's one of their upgraded line. It's not just their regular I-beam series. It's the upgraded that I don't know. I can't remember anything about them. They're clearanced a little bit more. 927 rod end. Man, that has the lube all over. 927 rod end, 2.123 main end. But yeah, we're gonna 5.4 length, so that should tell you what we're gonna do. Let me get this squared away, and we'll go on to the second box. Of course, a 5.4 rod is no good. Straps. They package stuff well. Thank you, Scat, for the packaging. Come on in here, so I don't want to take this out.
Okay.
There we have a cast steel, not cast iron. It's not cast iron, but it's not forged. It's a cast steel 3.4 inch stroke crank. So we're going 347. And we gotta get this to the machine shop. I'm pushing my block to the machine shop. Okay, good gander. Don't touch it though. Cast steel 3.4 stroke. I can't remember what the main size is, but it's the standard main. 2.249 maybe, but I can't remember. Anyway, don't take that to heart. Yeah, thank you, Scat, and thank y'all for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and keep tuned in. You will get to see this thing get built.